Think about the moments in your life where things unfolded exactly as you envisioned them. Maybe it was a relationship, a career breakthrough, or an opportunity that just appeared at the perfect moment. That moment was not an accident. You created it. Not in the future, not in the past, but right then. It was the result of your mental state, your inner belief that it was already yours. The truth is, everything you desire is already yours. It's always been yours. But to see it, you must first believe it, feel it, live it, before it can manifest in your reality. In this moment, there is no room for doubt, no room for hesitation. You are already living the life you've dreamed of because you are the creator. You don't need more time. You need to act from a state of knowing that it's already done. The moment you accept that, the moment you stop waiting for tomorrow to take action, you unlock the power to create the life you want right now. So, I want you to understand this deeply when you feel time slipping away. When you feel like you're running out of it, that is simply the reflection of your internal state. If you believe you're running out of time, then time will reflect that belief. But if you know that all time is within you, and that all possibilities exist in the now, then you are free to live fully, without hesitation, without waiting. Right now, you have all the time you need because time is a product of your mind. It bends and shifts according to your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs. You don't need to chase after it. All you need to do is trust in the power of your own mind. Imagine that your desires are already fulfilled. Imagine that your goals are already achieved. How does it feel? That feeling, that certainty, is the key. The moment you experience it fully, you begin to align with that reality. It's not a distant future. It's your present moment. And when you realize that everything falls into place, it doesn't matter how old you are, how many years you've been waiting for something, or how much time you think you have left. You are not limited by time. You are limitless. You have the power to create, to change, to live the life you've always dreamed of right now. So stop waiting. Stop thinking you need more time. Realize that time is a creation of your mind, and it bends to your will. What you think about, what you feel about, is what will show up in your reality. Right now, you are free. Free from time, free from doubt, free from limitation. You are unlimited in every way. You have the power to create your reality in an instant. The power to shift your life in this very moment. So, live as if it's already done. Live in the state of knowing that everything you desire is already yours. Feel it, believe it, and let go of the illusion of time, for there is no time left. Only the now. Only your power, only your reality. Imagine you are standing at the edge of everything you've ever wanted, but time is slipping away faster than you ever anticipated. It's the ultimate urgency, the undeniable truth that you have no time left. In this moment, everything becomes crystal clear. The weight of every choice, every dream, every desire now holds a deep significance, because you are fully aware that there is no more time to waste. You can no longer delay or hesitate. You are forced to confront the truth of your own potential and the reality of your desires. What do you do when you have no time left? You act. You act as though the universe itself is on the brink of unfolding your destiny, as though the only thing standing in your way is the belief that you are waiting for some perfect moment. But that perfect moment is now. It's here. It's happening right now. You realize, in the core of your being, that your reality has always been governed by your inner assumptions. And in this moment, there's no time to doubt or question. You must step fully into your belief, into your power. Neville Goddard taught us that the feeling is the secret. The emotional experience, the assumption that you already are what you desire to be, is what brings that desire into your reality. If you truly have no time left, then there is no time to wait for things to change externally. You must create the change from within now, without any hesitation. You must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, right here and right now. As you feel the pressure of time running out, you begin to realize that time is not a constraint. It's a tool. It's a tool to compel you into action, to remind you that the urgency to live your dreams is not outside of you, but within you. You are the one who holds the key. You are the one who has always had the power to decide who you are and what you are meant to experience. You close your eyes and, in that moment of stillness, You feel the intensity of what you desire. You feel it as if it's already true. The job you've always wanted, the relationship you've been longing for, the health you crave, they are all yours. You feel the joy, the satisfaction, the fulfillment. You feel it in your bones, deep in your soul. It is as real to you as the breath you are taking. There is no waiting. There is no asking. There is no wondering when or how it will come. It has already come because you have assumed it, because you have decided it. As you stand there, you realize that you've always had the power to create this reality. The only thing that has ever held you back is the belief that you had time to wait. But now, with no time left, you see clearly, there is no waiting. There is only living from the end. Living from the feeling of your wish already fulfilled.